Listen to me. I need you to pay very close attention to what I am about to tell you, because this is your hard-earned retirement money we are talking about. You have worked 30, 40, maybe 50 years to build your nest egg, and every single dollar you have right now needs to be protected, respected, and put to work for your future. So when you ask me, Susie, can I put Paysafe into my bank account? My answer to you is yes, you can, but you need to understand exactly what that means, how the process works, and most importantly, why you must be on high alert before you do anything with these codes or prepaid cards. First, let us get clarity on what Paysafe actually is. Paysafe, or Paysafecard, is essentially a digital prepaid voucher system. People buy these vouchers at retail stores or online using cash or a debit card, and it gives them a 16-digit PIN code. It was originally designed so people could buy things on the internet without having to enter their credit card or traditional bank account numbers online. Now, if you have one of these vouchers sitting in your hand, or if you have balance sitting in a digital Paysafe account, can that money end up inside your local checking or savings account? Yes. But you cannot simply take a paper voucher code down to your local bank branch, hand it to the teller, and expect them to deposit it into your bank account. That is not how traditional banking works. Your bank does not accept 16-digit voucher codes as cash deposits or checks. To move that money into your bank account, you have to go through Paysafe's official digital system. You must set up and log into an official My Paysafecard account online or through their verified mobile app. From there, you redeem the voucher code into your digital Paysafe balance. Once the money is sitting in your digital account, you go to the withdrawal section. You enter your traditional bank details, your routing number and your account number, and you request a bank transfer payout. Sounds straightforward enough, right? But stay with me, because here's where the reality check comes in, and I need you to hear me clearly. Before Paysafe ever releases a single dime into your personal bank account, they are going to demand full identity verification. That means submitting a government-issued photo ID, proof of your address, and confirming that the bank account you are sending the money to is registered in your exact name. They do this to comply with financial safety laws, which is a good thing, but it takes time, sometimes several business days. And then there are the fees. Paysafe is a business, not a charity. Depending on how long you hold those voucher codes or how you process the payout, they can charge maintenance fees, currency conversion fees, or refund fees that chip away at your money. Why lose a percentage of your cash to fees just to move money around in a circle? If you already have cash in your bank account, buying a prepaid voucher only to transfer it back into your bank account makes zero financial sense. You are paying middleman costs for something you do not need. Now I want to address the biggest, most critical danger here, and this is where I need every retiree and everyone nearing retirement to listen to me with both ears open. If you are asking this question because someone called you on the phone, emailed you, or texted you claiming that you owe money to the government, or claiming you won a sweepstakes, or saying your grandchild is in trouble, and they told you to go to the store, buy Paysafe codes, and read those codes back to them so they can deposit it into your bank account, stop right now. That is a scam. It is a total, 100% fraud. Scammers love gift cards and prepaid codes like Paysafe because once you give someone that 16-digit PIN over the phone or over the internet, that money is gone forever. It is untraceable, irreversible, and gone. No legitimate organization, no government agency, no bank, and no real company will ever ask you to pay a debt, secure your account, or clear a refund by purchasing Paysafe vouchers. If anyone tells you that buying these cards is the way to put money into your account or pay off an urgent bill, hang up the phone immediately. So let us wrap this up into an actionable takeaway that keeps your retirement safe and your financial life clean. If you legitimately received a Paysafe voucher as a gift or from a real transaction, do not panic. You do not have to let it sit there and lose value to monthly dormancy fees. Log onto the official Paysafe website or app, verify your identity safely, link your legitimate bank account in your name, and execute the official withdrawal request. Otherwise, keep your financial life simple. As you navigate retirement, simplicity is your greatest shield. Stick with direct bank transfers, FDIC-insured institutions, and clean, transparent transactions. Protect every single penny you have earned, refuse to let anyone intimidate or confuse you with prepaid codes, and stand tall in control of your financial freedom.